do think that. I think that being a celebrity, somewhere down the line, it's a familiar face saying something that you need to hear. And you stop and you look at a familiar face more than you would a stranger's.
You know, first is when we talk about changing behavior, we have a very clear ways about doing it, which is about first making it understood in a very simple manner, making it rewarding and desirable, and then you convert it into a habit. Yeah? So what our intervention does is very clearly prove the concept that when you start washing your hands with Lifebuoy, it certainly reduces the incidence. Now, in many cases, what we do is we again visit the village so that we reinforce the messages that we had done in the previous way. Now, the way it is also done is in each village, we have the Lifebuoy ambassador who carries on the worthy task of reminding people. And our interventions are also in school, where the teachers imbibe the habit and they keep reinforcing it then to the children. That's how we ensure that it becomes a sustainable one. Now, important bit to understand is that this is about washing hands with soaps. Yeah? Now, yes, there are many soaps available, but what Lifebuoy is a great brand. It is on the health platform and it gives you amazing amount of germ kill. That's what Lifebuoy does. But we are certainly not alluding to that Lifebuoy is the only soap which can kill the germ. What we are saying is Lifebuoy is certainly one of the great brands which has been doing amazing work when it comes to health and hygiene. Of course, soap certainly is going to give you much better than not using a soap. But when you have a brand like Lifebuoy, it kills many infectious germs which an ordinary soap won't be able to do. That's the benefit of a health brand, and that's the benefit of Lifebuoy.
You're a mother. How persistent are you at home, and do you get hysterical with your kids if they've, eaten?
I am completely hysterical. I have hand sanitizers all over my house. I have Lifebuoy all over my house. So I am hysterical, and fortunately I've trained my maids and my kids very well. So if I don't remind them, my maids will, my mother-in-law will, somebody will, for sure. I think kids need to be retrained every 3-4 days. I know for a fact that my daughter has to be told every single day what to do, despite the fact that I've told her again and again.
To the intervention of the program.
This is just one of the demonstration. These are just one of the ways that we use to teach the children in villages and in rural areas exactly how dirty our lives are, how we are not exactly as clean as we think we are. And my hands are as dirty as yours, by the way. So, as a mother, I just feel that this is one of those things that I stand by. I feel that this is one of those things that need to be addressed. This is one of those issues that need to be addressed, especially hygiene in every which way needs to be addressed because of the world that we live in. And I really feel that the first thing that everybody needs to do over here, more than, yes, we would love you to donate to our campaign as well. But I think one thing that we need to do is stand up and, just say that, yes, we're going to spread the message. We're going to tell people around us, teach people around us the importance and the necessity of it. Because I think that in that way, you are truly, truly helping the cause of Help a Child Reach 5. Good afternoon, everybody. Well, thank you. First of all, let me say thank you so much for coming here. And we started Help a Child Reach 5 last year, and I'm sure a lot of you were there last year when we had a press conference at Taj, and we had these goals in mind, and I'm very, very happy to say that we have reached and even surpassed them in quite a few ways. And what can I say? I think Help a Child Reach 5, we have these ideas about how much good you want to do in the world and what you can do for it. Sometimes you feel like you don't know exactly how to go about it. So I just want to thank this campaign actually, that I'm really proud to be a part of Help a Child Reach 5, because it's really satisfied that part of me that wants to do good and that wants to help children everywhere. So thank you so much to Lifebuoy for giving me that chance. As far as the program is concerned, we've done a lot. As they said earlier that we went to the UN General, we spoke about it internationally, and we've decided to take it to 8 more countries this year. So we're very, very happy about that as well. And that's the one thing that that made me realize that we are making an impact. We are changing lives with this program. And when you think about diarrhea and pneumonia, it always seems like something so small that we can always cure. It's when you think about it, it's not such a big hurdle that you can't cross. And when you think about all the children that are dying every day because of it, it's, as a mother, it's shocking, it's heart-rending. And if we can save even one child's life, I think we will have done a fabulous job.